Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to organize your course files in Google Drive. A clear folder structure saves time and makes your course easier to manage.
First, create a main folder for your course. This will help you keep everything in one place. Next, create a simple folder structure. For example, you can separate your lessons, resources, experts, and assets. We're going to create all these folders one by one, just like that. Inside your lessons folder, keep each lesson organized and easy to find. Use clear and consistent name for your files. This makes your workflow much easier, especially when your course grows. As you can see, everything is structured and easy to navigate. Keeping your files organized will save your time and help you stay focused while working on your course. And that's it.